Department of Mechanical Engineering is led by ME Department Head Dr. Insinyur Atto Setiawan, MNSC, with the help of Secretary of Department 1, Academic and Student Affairs, Suwarno PhD, Secretary of Department 2, Human Resources and Education Facilities, Bambang Arif Dwiantoro, PhD, and Head of Postgraduate Study Program, Professor Harus Laksana Guntur. Department of Mechanical Engineering has 10 professors and 30 doctors, and has a field of interest: energy conversion and conservation, construction design, production and manufacturing, and metallurgy. To support learning activities in Department of Mechanical Engineering, we have 7 laboratories, namely Thermal Engineering and Energy System Laboratory, Mechanics and Fluid Machinery Laboratory, Vibration Engineering Laboratory and Automotive Systems, Solid Body Mechanics Laboratory, System Engineering and Control Laboratory, Production Engineering Laboratory, and Metallurgical Laboratory. Hard skills, knowledge and skills, and soft skills, leadership, organizational skills, and communication skills are absolutely necessary. With good soft skills, students will easily get good jobs and will be able to pursue a good career until they become top leaders. To increase this capability, Department of Mechanical Engineering at Institut Teknologi 10 November has several student activities, including organized guest lectures from alumni, which are held every month, manufacture of energy efficient cars, Shell Eco Marathon, and Formula students who compete in Japan every year. Participate in the Go-Kart E-Shark competition in Sentul, community service by providing motorcycle and car services in collaboration with motorcycle and car manufacturers, health rally competitions, and so on. Various achievements of students of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the Institut Teknologi 10 November that have been achieved by the guidance and direction of lecturers at the national and international levels, including winner of the Shell Eco Marathon competition at the Asia Pacific level 8 times in a row, so that it will become a legend, and it is difficult to break the record by all universities in the world. The Best Rocky Award 2013 and Fuel Economic Award in 2018, the Formula Student event in Japan. Always be the champion and overall champion in the Frugal Car Contest competition held by the Ministry of Education and Culture, Research and Technology Indonesia. Department of Mechanical Engineering students at the Institut Teknologi 10 November are the only ones who consistently take part in the Shell Eco Marathon car competition, Formula student in Japan, and the Ministry of Education and Culture's version of the Energy Efficient Car Contest competition. Mechanical engineering is ready to become a higher education institution with an international reputation in science and technology that supports environmentally sound industry and marine affairs.